Hello my YouTube friends, do you want to use Streamyard but still have access to using widgets and transitions and other cool streaming features? It's not hard to do with OBS and I'm going to show you how to do it today. So let's get to it. If you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you don't miss any new content. If you aren't familiar with Streamyard, it's a browser-based streaming solution that makes live broadcasting a breeze. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. To set this up, we need to add a couple of tools to OBS. First, let's add the Virtual Camera plugin. Here's the website. Yes, the link is in the description. Once it's installed, we need to capture OBS audio so we can use it in Streamyard as well. Now, if all the audio you're going to use for your broadcast is going to be your microphone, you can just directly connect that to Streamyard and use the virtual camera and you're all set. However, if you want to capture other audio aspects of your OBS broadcast, you're going to need to add another piece of software. And that software is Voicemeeter Banana. And sorry Mac folks, this is not available for you just yet. Amazingly, the links are in the description. You can click here to download and install it on your machine and reboot once you're finished. Let's get into Voicemeeter Banana and I'll walk you through your setup options. I know it looks really complicated, but it's actually pretty simple. Over here on the left, you have your hardware inputs, so you can add your microphone here directly. You may or may not want to, depending upon if you're planning to add guests to your live stream. If you're adding a guest, then you want to separate your microphone from the rest of the desktop audio. If you're not, then you can just add your microphone to OBS and you don't have to worry about it. If you decide to add it here, select Input Device below Hardware Input 1 and then select the input device. The letters here at the beginning of the name are just the different encoders. I recommend using WDM since it has the lowest latency. The virtual inputs are set up already to grab the desktop audio, which is perfect. Your outputs are A1 to your headphones and B1 to the virtual input. This is where you have some flexibility to separate your microphone. You don't really want to hear your microphone in your headphones, so under your mic, just send it to the virtual output at B1 and not your headphones at A1, like this. Now your microphone sound will go to the stream, but not your headphones. You can decide to send your desktop audio to your headphones by selecting B1, virtual sound, and A1, audio output, or just to the stream with just B1. This is where if you want to be able to hear guests on a stream, you'll need it to go to A1 also. This video is sponsored by Envato Place. If you're looking for custom overlays for your live stream, Envato Place has some incredible pre-made overlays. You can add move elements, change colors, and customize them in any way you want. It's so simple and easy to get great overlays in no time at all. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. Now that Voicemeeter is all set up, let's configure OBS for our stream. First, I'm going to add my camera, so I click the plus under Sources, select Video Capture Device, and then click OK. Then I'll set up my camera and add the audio here at the bottom for my microphone, and click Done when I'm finished. I'm just going to do a quick test here to make sure the audio is working and I have the correct device. Now I'm going to click the plus again and select a media source I want to add. This is just a video that I want to play in the background. I name the source and click OK. Then I browse to the location of the source I want to add, select it, and then I select a loop. The clip is going to loop, and then I select Done. Now I'm just going to organize my screen and resize things the way I want them. Now if I click back over into Voicemeeter Banana, you're going to see we're still not getting any audio. And that's because audio is currently not being broadcast to anything Voicemeeter can pick up. To fix this, we go back into Mixer and click one of these gears and select Advanced Audio Properties. In Advanced Audio Properties, we want to set each of our sources to monitor and output. This means the sound will play through our output device, usually your headphones, but also go out to the stream. But in this case, our headphone audio is being captured by Voicemeeter Banana. So now when we flip back over to Voicemeeter, you can see we're getting some audio. You may also be hearing the audio through your headset or speakers. So take this opportunity to adjust the levels the way you want them in the OBS mixer. In Voicemeeter, you have two things that are receiving audio. One is your headphone level, and that's A1. The other is the virtual output at B1. You can turn down A1 so you won't hear the audio in your headset at all, and just push it to the stream. The audio stream that goes out to the stream is B1. Now let's open Streamyard and set up our stream. Here in Streamyard, I'll create a broadcast and then enter the broadcast studio right here. Then I click this gear next to cam mic. Now if this is your first time using the virtual camera, you may not see the virtual cam here. So flip back into OBS, then go to tools at the top and select virtual cam. You can change these options if you want, and then click start. The name in the target camera is the one that's going to appear in Streamyard. Now you can exit that and go back into Streamyard. Now the drop down should have our OBS camera. If it doesn't, restart Streamyard. Then get back in here and select our camera, and we're looking good. Now for the audio. Select the audio on the left. For your microphone, you're going to notice there are two voice meters. You want to select different ones depending upon how you have your microphone set up. So be sure to test your setup, but either one will give you audio to your stream. It just may not be the correct audio that you're looking for, so always test. Also, I like to disable audio processing. If you don't, it may mistake background music or sound effects for noise and try to suppress it. And this can create a garbled mess. Now we can X out of this, make sure our stream name is correct, and select Enter Broadcast Studio. Then we just add our camera to the broadcast by clicking here and we're in. Now I flip back over into OBS, I can move the camera, and in Streamyard you can see it moves as well. If I add another scene in OBS, when I move between the two scenes, I get my stingers and everything else in Streamyard. Pretty awesome. I still have access to all the Streamyard tools as well, like lower thirds and adding a guest. Wow. OBS Virtual Camera is a really powerful addition to what Streamyard can already do. You can check out Streamyard for yourself by clicking the link in the description. And if you want to see a full walkthrough of everything Streamyard can do, you should check this video out right here. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Fire Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.